Hello guys, breakfast for today. And that, sasangag ko siya. And egg. Yan ang aking tapa. Beef tapa. Pork tocino. And ito yung aking isasangag. Yan ang aking chorizo, bell pepper, carrots, garlic and onion, peas and egg. Start na tayo guys. Ayan na sa guys. Ayan na guys. May chorizo, garlic, onion, bell pepper, carrots, and peas, and egg. Ayan na guys. Babalikan ko yung aking tapa and tocino. Ayan na yung aking tocino. Ayan, ito na yung aking tapa. Ayan na yung aking egg. 25 pieces eggs. Ayan na guys, final. Dalawa yung rice ko. And tocino. Yun yung aking saging. Eggs. Tapa. Hindi na makita. Tinakpan ko na kasi. And ang aking fried rice. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.